Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get notes fast DeepWoken, full guide. Jump straight into route planning. Pick 3 connected zones with high spawn rates and mark respawn timers. Bring movement tools and quick kills to chain note sources. Track the map and adjust for server activity. Use short runs of 5 to 10 minutes to farm efficiently and avoid burnout. Save time by focusing on reliable spawns and repeatable loops. Plan routes around predictable spawns and travel efficiency to maximize notes per minute. I like loops that hit a boss, 2 elite camps, and a quest NPC within 10 minutes. Bring fast movement items and avoid heavy detours that cost time. If an area is contested, switch to an alternate route rather than waiting. Keep counts on your runs so you can measure which loop nets the most notes over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle for long sessions. It seals tight and keeps drinks cool, so I don't lose focus mid-farm. It's simple but effective for staying hydrated during long grind loops. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on small improvements that add up when farming notes. Equip the fastest movement and damage tools you can access and practice tight rotations to reduce idle time. Consider teaming briefly for double clears, then split to avoid loot fights. Keep consumables ready to maintain uptime and learn enemy patterns to shave seconds off each fight. Track your average notes per run so you can measure progress and tweak the plan for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.